Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Shopify payments and payout records step by step clearly. To back up your Shopify payments and payout records, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Billing. Here, you will find various billing and payout details related to your store. Scroll down to the Billing History section to view your payment records. You can download individual statements by clicking on each statement listed. Select the statement you wish to download, and click the download icon. Choose the format that suits you best, preferably PDF for easier reading. Now, navigate back to the main menu, and click on Orders. In the Orders section, your transaction history will be displayed. You can filter by date range or order status to find specific transactions. Click on the Export button located at the top right corner of the page. Select the format you want, either CSV or Excel, which allows for more detailed analysis. Choose whether to export all orders or filtered orders based on your selection. Once your selection is made, click Export Orders. The file will be generated and sent to your email or downloaded directly. Next, go to the Reports section in the Shopify dashboard. Click on Finances to access detailed reports related to payments and payouts. Here, you can generate reports for specific time frames. Customize the report settings as needed, and click Generate Report. Once the report is ready, download it for your records. It is advisable to store these backups in a secure location. Consider using cloud storage services to keep your records safe and accessible. Regularly updating your backups will help ensure your financial documents are always current. This simple process will empower you to keep your Shopify payments and payout records safe and organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.